Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to log in Warframe. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Warframe account, then what you can do is first open up your browser. So select any browser you like. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for Warframe login. And after searching for that, now you should come up with this page. From here you just have to tap on this first option which is login, which is from Warframe. So after tapping on that, now you can easily log into your account by entering the email address and password of your account. So after entering it, what you can do is just simply tap on login. And after doing that, here you can see guys, you have successfully logged into your account. So in this way, you can also log into your Warfare account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.